Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. Today, we're gonna see how to make $10 over and over again. Stay tuned, and I like to invite to subscribe to my channel. And I post daily content like how to make money online, like passive income ideas, and make money online. So I don't want to waste your previous time, guys. Let's dive into this video. This website is called rapidorcus.com, guys. Rapidorcus.com. This is the work for remote work. You get paid a minimum cents for just 1 minute job or 2 minute job. You get paid lots of money with this site, guys. This site is called rapidworker.com. If you want to join this site, click the sign up button. It will take up to this page. You put your name, email, password, and a country. This will allow wherever you from, you will accepted by this company, guys. This company allows everyone in the world to make money online with this site. This site help, and first you notice you didn't use VPN or doing any other country work, because they allow all the countries. Don't be using VPN, guys. Highly requested, don't using VPN. Okay, guys, because it's up allow all the countries available. Let's how to pay and what's inside. Let's dive into the dashboard. How's the looks like the dashboard. Okay, guys, this is the dashboard look like, and you see lots of job are here to make money, guys. Most of the job are international. USA international, UK. If you in the USA, you can make good amount of money. You see $35, 5 minutes work. Just you put an email or anything else, just a 5 minute work, you get 35 cents. It's a easy duper money, guys. It's a easy money. And I think many people are coming from out of the USA and get paid. It's also international, guys. You get paid internationally. Download app now, India. Download app now. Anywhere you are, you get paid. This is easiest. Just I recommend one thing, guys. Just go to the job name, just type YT comment. This will take you, I think, comment job. Wait a second, guys. Click enter. It's didn't come, guys. This is the available task. Just click any one of the international task, guys. Just click download text document. You get paid easy amount of money. It's easy ways to, guys. Just download .txt file and earn money, guys. You can do 5 times in one day. You get paid 35. It's international, guys. Don't these countries are available. It's always international. Don't be afraid. It's always international, guys. First, you're gonna need visit this website and click skip ad and download the text document and copy the inside text file and paste it as a proof here, guys. Just I show it for you. Just copy this URL and paste it over here, guys, and it will get as the rules. You can skip the ad. Wait a 5 second, guys. You can skip the ad and you get your text document. Just download it. Okay, guys, wait a second. Just download it. You can download and click on the text document, you can paste inside the text document, copy that and paste over here guys. This is the proof tab. You can paste here and wait it. The campaign owner approve this, you get paid. Just easy as you think guys. This is easiest method. There are lot of jobs available internationally, USA or anywhere in the world, doesn't matter. You can get paid easily by doing just nothing guys. You can pay just using easily, but it did not pay you make you rich. It's just help to pay you little more side income, just to get paid a little more. But I help you guys to make even more a passive income. For that you get subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification, because you didn't miss any of my job guys. Let's dive into withdraw section. What inside the withdraw? You just need at least $8. It's easy to get $8 in a day guys. It's easy. Just you need PayPal account guys. I think everyone has a PayPal account. I hope. And you send to this email. Click this email and send your email what you signed with the site using your email. That email you can send, and you can your PayPal email also send an IP address guys. Login topmost right corner, you get the IP address anywhere and just click. The payment will send 24 to 48 hours within guys. You get paid easily guys. Deposit in my account. That's all guys. This is Rapid Workers. You get paid by lot of job available right over there. I hope you this video helps to make a little more money, but not a passive income. I upload even more video by passive income, and I created a one video guys to make a 50 grand per month by just naming. Coming soon guys for you. Wait for a second guys. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this, leave a like, comment and share with your friends. Don't go without subscribe guys. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. Make money online. Peace.